Welcome to Damian's ToyWorld. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a slime challenge.
And we have all the ingredients right here. And we're going to be blindfolded. So it's going to be really exciting.
So we got clear slime and we got like a lot of glitters.
Oh, and this one.
It's like pink slime.
Color changing glue, but it only changes colors in the sun.
Yeah, and we got some shaving cream to make fluffy
Glitters.
slimes. An activator.
Yeah. So it's gonna be awesome.
Let's get started. I'm gonna blindfold myself, and I'm gonna pick.
I'm gonna be mixing it up. So ready and let's go. Let's start. Come on, you gotta pick it.
One item.
Is that it, or one more glue? One more glue. Okay, there. Look at the glue that you got.
Blue and clear.
That's actually really good.
The clear glue and I got the blue glue.
That's good.
Next, I'm gonna be getting shaving cream and activator. One item and then two more.
That means I get these two.
I got the shaving cream and I got this activator.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna pick the glitter. One, two.
The third one.
Three. Let's see what I got.
You got snow and I got these two.
I got snow and I got red and yellow glitter.
So this is the snow is like it's powder snow and it's in a package.
Yep. And it's white.
Okay, guys.
It's now
It's
her
my
turn.
turn now. So I'm gonna take off my glasses. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's my turn, and the reason why I have these beside me is because they're the only ones. So I'm ready. Okay, you go.
Okay, and go.
This one. And this one. Okay, is that the only? That's the
Now
only
blindfold yourself.
Oh,
Pink
these are
and
actually really good. I wanted clear, but okay.
Yeah.
These are good too. Okay,
I
I got pink and white glue, guys. So next, we're gonna take them out, and next is gonna be glitters. I'm actually excited for the glitters. I want the pink and the silver. I get three glitters. Okay, ready?
Does anyone touch it?
Ready, set, go.
Now you can pick.
This one?
Oh,
I know that's the snow. Because
I
I don't know what color this is. I don't know what color.
Oh, you got a dark black. She got a dark black
So I
and
got
a blue and
blue,
a snow.
purple, and snow. And black. No.
I'm gonna put my clear slime.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it now. So, because he's putting his in. Okay, this is so cool. It's cute, but it's hard to take out.
Next, I'm gonna put my blue slime.
I'm still doing this because it's hard to take out. Or glue. My cousins are time to mix.
Time to mix. It's so pretty. Look.
Look at mine, if you guys. It's like
It
a
looks like the
puppy.
ocean with red dots. It's so slimy and sticky.
It does to you, but not to me. Look at this.
Touch mine.
I have a feeling this isn't going to turn into slime.
I have a feeling that I put it too or little much activator.
Too much activator?
Yeah, too much activator or a little much.
Of mine. Mine's going to turn out really good. Because I have a feeling. Okay.
Mine, I have a feeling that it's not.
I'm going to go in with my hands now, guys. So, oh, that feels nice.
This feels a little slimy.
Because it's supposed to be slimy. I think I need to add a little bit more.
This is the biggest slime I ever made.
Same.
This is our
Okay,
finished slime.
Yes,
And
look
it's
at
so
mine.
soft.
Mine is webby. And you guys can see.
You guys can see it's a little stretchy.
Because the snow. It was the snow. Look. It was the snow. And it rips easily.
Look how much it stretches.
But look at his. Mine, I could only like stretch a few pieces, but
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for
Subscribe.
watching. Subscribe.
And turn
And
on the
remember
notifications.
What he said. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, his hand is so sticky.
Bye.